least know what it looks like.
Oh my God, Tongai.
Well, you have no idea.
Where did you get that gun?
It's when.
You're not
Not
thinking.
when. When did I get the gun, Tandy? You are asking the wrong things.
You're not thinking straight, baby. Listen. Listen, Tongai.
Get out of bed. Hurry up!
Tongai,
Get dressed! Tandy, why don't you wear that black dress that you like so much? And black dress.
Tongai, let's talk. Let's talk. If it's money, I can arrange it. Listen, let's talk about this.
What sort of man do you think I am? Of course we can talk. I'm a very reasonable guy.
So let's talk, man. Let's work something out.
Tongai, please listen to me, Tongai, baby.
Sungapus.
Tongai, listen. If it's your old job, I can arrange that. I can get your old job back, and there'll be a promotion as well waiting for you. You know, you deserve a manager's position. You've worked so hard, man. So I can arrange that. So,
I suppose.
yeah.
I suppose you can.
Yeah, so let me just make some phone calls.
And I suppose you can give me my old wife back too.
Look, I know I've wronged you,
Now
okay?
everybody-
You're not thinking straight.
Let's get to the dining. Plus, don't ever think of putting those dumbbells to use. And I'll spare him for you. Shoot.